In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new inventory items in QuickBooks. This is a simple process, but it's important to ensure everything is entered correctly to keep your business's financials accurate and well organized. Let's dive into the process. First, you need to start by logging into your QuickBooks account. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. This is your central hub where you can see a snapshot of your business's financial activities, and from here we can start adding inventory. Once logged in, glance over to the left side of the screen where you'll see a menu panel. Look for the Sales option and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu showing different sales options that you can explore and manage. For us, we're focusing on inventory, so let's move on to the next step. Next, in the Sales section, you'll find an option labeled Products and Services. Click on that and it will take you to a page that lists all the products and services you have set up in QuickBooks. This page provides an overview and allows you to manage existing products or add new ones. Now, to add a new product, locate and click the New button, usually located at the top right of your screen. This is where you'll begin entering the specific details for the new inventory item you are adding. After clicking New, you need to fill out the product or service information. QuickBooks gives you a few categories to choose from, like non-inventory, inventory, or service items. For this tutorial, let's select Inventory. Choosing the right category ensures that QuickBooks handles the item correctly in your accounts. Now that you've chosen Inventory, it's time to fill in the necessary details for your new item. You'll need to input information such as the SKU, which is the stock keeping unit, a unique identifier for each product. You'll also set a category if applicable. Choose an inventory asset account to track the asset value of the items, and provide a description so anyone looking at the product knows what it is. Next, add the sales price or rate and choose an income account which will be credited when a sale occurs. Don't forget to set up any applicable sales tax rate, as this will be important for your transactions. Also include the purchasing information, which may include cost, expense account, and preferred vendor for restocking. Finally, before leaving the screen, double-check all your entries to make sure everything is correct. When you're satisfied with all the details, click Save and Close to finalize the addition of your new inventory item. This will save all your information and you can now see the newly added item in your product and services list. And that's it! You've successfully added an inventory item to QuickBooks. Regularly updating and managing your inventory in QuickBooks is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records. Thanks for following along, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.